Here's another thing they could do, or they are doing. They could just turn to pig farming. Tried and true.
Okay. Let's see where this goes.
I want to just leave you with that for a minute. Not the pig farming itself, but modernizing pig farming. I don't know if you knew this, Will, but pig farming in China is kind of a big deal. China has the world's biggest pig farming industry. It's home to half of the world's live hogs. You didn't know that?
No.
Half. Holy. I mean, it's got billions of people, but anyway, Huawei wants to be involved in modernizing the pig farming strategy in order to deal better with the weight, diet, exercise, building in AI that can identify individual pigs. Like, you can't identify an individual pig.
No, I cannot.
Like, if you go in this place and it's got 1,000 hogs, you're like, that's a hog, that's a hog, that's a hog.
Yes. One of them has a spot on its shoulder.
No way, Will. You don't know these things.
Yeah.
I bet you, though, there's some farmer who's tuned in and tuned up. And he's saying, I don't need no AI. I know exactly which hog that is.
Yeah.
Because he's just, for so long, got the experience.
But if you have like hundreds?
Thousands.
I mean, yeah, thousands.
Yeah, that guy knows. That guy knows.
Does he?
Well, I'm saying you'd be surprised with experts in anything. It's amazing how sophisticated people can become if they do enough of something. Repetition. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just saying you would fail horribly, and so would myself.
Yeah.
That's all I'm saying. But anyway, they want to do facial recognition, AI, so that they can detect diseases and track individual pigs without actually having to do so in a labor-intensive way manually. That these systems could pick up diseases, because they could pick up a hog that has, for example, its behavior is altered in a way mapped across what the normal thing would be, and then identify that specific one, pull it out, test it sooner, things like this. So it's not just Huawei that wants a piece of this business, but they're just looking at ways to diversify their business and to modernize traditional businesses, this being one of them. Just kind of a funny transition that I could not avoid because I went straight from Huawei cutting smartphone shipments to Huawei turns to pig farming. Like, I couldn't ignore that combination of things. It was presented to me, and it you got something else.
This article is very strange. Like, it's just talking about
you're talking
cars?
Smack about the BBC right now?
Cars, and then there's coal mining.
It's got everything in it.
Huawei.
It's got anything in it that you want.
Interesting.
Earlier this month, Huawei founder and chief executive Ren Zhengfei announced a mining innovation lab in northern China. Look, they're trying to diversify, man.
Sure. Yeah.
You would do the same thing.
Yeah, Samsung does it.
You would do the
LG
same thing.
does it.
You would do the same thing.
Yeah.
You would do the same thing.